Hello everyone and meet the Ufesa EasyOpen, a complete electric corkscrew set for every wine lover. This elegant collection includes an automatic opener, a vacuum stopper, a decanter, and a foil cutter. Simply press 2 buttons to remove any cork in under 8 seconds without any risk of breaking. The rechargeable battery opens over 50 bottles per charge and features a helpful LED light indicator. Crafted from durable aluminum and smooth plastic, this set adds a sophisticated touch to your home. Use the anti-drip decanter for perfect pouring and the vacuum cap to keep your wine fresh. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or special occasions and elevates every romantic evening with friends. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.